Well, staying with news from the business world, the central banks of Nepal and India are exploring the possibility of using interbank market to allow the transfer of Indian currency between banks in the two countries in large volumes. Now, interbank market is one of the most important segments of foreign exchange system. Nepal has formally allowed the circulation of Indian currency notes above 100 rupees up to a limit of 25 rupees per person. However, Nepal's central bank is yet to issue a circular that would implement the provision for banks and financial institutions at large. According to the bank's spokesperson, the country's Rashtriya Bank and the Reserve Bank of India are in talks to allow Indian currency to be transferred in any amount through the banking systems of the two countries. Nepal's central bank is reportedly awaiting a formal response from the Indian side on the same. India's Reserve Bank of India has committed to simplifying the process. Such an arrangement is central as it ensures that Indian currency, which is deposited in Nepali banks, can be transferred to Indian banks and vice versa, regardless of the volume B. The move is significant for Nepal, particularly as an estimated 50 million Indian rupees remains stacked at Nepal Rashtriya Bank after India refused to exchange the notes following its demonetization drive. This could potentially ensure financial stability isn't disrupted, as banks would have a mechanism to move the funds across the border regions. And getting us more details on this potential deal between India and Nepal is our correspondent Saloni Murarka, who sent us this report from Kathmandu.
India and Nepal are exploring a step to further strengthen their bilateral relations. Nepal's central bank officials have confirmed that currently the discussions are underway between the two sides to introduce interbank transfer mechanism. While this may take some time to be fully implemented, officials have confirmed that the discussions have already begun. Once implemented, this facility will bring a major relief to people transferring large sums of money, as carrying beyond INR 25,000 is not permitted. Under the proposed system, Indian currencies kept in Nepali banks can be sent to Indian banks. At the same time, the Nepali banks will also be able to receive Indian currencies from Indian banks. Meanwhile, the circulation of Indian currency notes of 200 and 500 has already made easier for the people on both the sides. I'm Saloni Murarka reporting for WION from Kathmandu, Nepal.